I just ordered these window sunscreens and they're better than I thought. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just bought these sunscreens for cars here, and they are surprising me in a lot of good ways here. So you may want to put these in the windows of your car for a number of reasons. Maybe you don't have tinted windows, maybe you have kids in the back, maybe you have a baby in the back, maybe you're just driving and your arm is always getting sunburned. You know what? That's why I have a farmer's tan all the time. But these little sunscreens that go in your windows are pretty common, and they're like a mesh. They almost look like a tight mosquito screen or something like that. And usually they have little suction cups on the back side so that they attach inside on the car. And what I want to show you is that this sunscreen does not have any suction cups. What it does have is on this side, you know, that little black mesh. You can see it there. Kind of reminds me of like tent mesh. And on this side, what it has is like a plastic vinyl. It actually reminds me of saran wrap, but thicker, you know, so a little more durable, almost rubberized, but kind of not sticky, but grippy and heavy friction. So what you do here, and why this is almost easier than anything else I've used, is you just kind of put it in place. And the other thing I want to show you here is it's got like a wire spring in it. So it's kind of like those beach pop-up tents, but what you can do is you can just kind of place it where you want, and then you rub it in place just like this, and it sticks there, just like that. So now you can peel it off or reposition it or whatever you want to do. I also like the little metal edging here, because what you can do is push it into little recesses in the window frames, and it will kind of move and shape itself to your glass. So it'll get braced in with the little indentations up here, like on the moldings. And so that'll even hold it in place a little bit better. But just like that, man, this is pretty cool. And it's the simplest and easiest window sunshade I've ever installed. And because you don't have any suction cups, you also don't have anything blocking your view. It's just clear. So like I said, it's pretty easy to pull down too. And man, it's pretty tacky. I'm impressed with this thing. So I didn't know that this didn't come with suction cups, but I'm glad it did, because man, I can put these in the car and remove them whenever, and they're super convenient. So if you want to haul around passengers and not a lot of extra sunlight, I suggest picking up the 4-pack of this guy. I picked them up because they were cheap. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than